Net zero. We've been hearing that a lot lately. But what does it really mean? All these words and numbers can feel overwhelming. So, here are 3 key terms to help.
Let's start with net zero. That means the carbon we put in is the same as the carbon we take out, leaving us with 0. And another phrase, circular economy. That means instead of making, using, then throwing away, we make, use and reuse, making it circular. Which brings us round to another important number, 1.5. Scientists say a rise of over 1.5 degrees will cause an environmental catastrophe. But scientists also tell us it's not too late. We can use renewables, reduce emissions, and change our diets. This will need money and action from people, businesses, and governments.
So, can a circular economy help us get to net zero and limit the rise to 1.5 degrees? The clock is ticking.